Hi everybody, Marielle again here from Land Direct USA, your source of quality and affordable land. Now we have here a 0.27 acre lot. This is just at Boat Ramp Drive in Fritch, Texas, and this is at Hutchinson County. Now the lot is just close to Lake Meredith and Canadian River, which is one of the main attractions of Fritch. Now on the side here, you will see some actual photos of the nearby area. There are some aerial views as well. So let's take a quick look. Now this is your 0.27 acre lot. It has a nice paved road access, and you can see how close the Canadian River is. Now the lake is a popular spot for fishing, boating, swimming, and also surrounded by several parks and hiking trails. Now, if we're gonna go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here property details, and the green one is the buyer's application form. Upon further scrolling down, we have here our full screen view of the lot. Now, this is powered by our MapRight software. Just click in View Full Screen and you'll be directed to an interactive map. And the map will show you dimensions of the lot. You can also check the borders, the surrounding environment, and what type of road access the property has. Now this is your lot, and adjoining lots is available. You can see there are a lot of houses nearby. And let's just zoom out. You will see here US Route 136. This is a primary transportation within the city. So Route 136 will connect you to cities nearby such as Borger, Pampa, and Amarillo here on the south. I'm just gonna show you nearby major city we have here. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma further east. Now, if you're interested with this lot, it's available at landrecsa.com with cash discount price of only $6,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form, put in a down payment of only $200 to reserve the lot, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.